My grandma, possibly like a lot of your grandmas, wasn't from California. She was born in Dangerfield, Texas, and when she was 15, 16, 17 years old, during the summers in hot Texas, just like this, she would be working in the cotton fields for $25 a week. $25 a week. That's the type of work ethic that she had all throughout high school, and she was able to save up enough money to eventually move from Texas and come to California. And she told me the other day, she was like, I didn't know I was poor until I came out to California and I saw the way that people in California are living. And I knew right then I couldn't go back to Texas because I wanted a better life for my family and for myself. So she decided to get an education so that her family can be and live better than what she grew up in. She got her associate's degree in real estate and became a real estate agent in the LA and Harbor City area. And let her tell it, she was the #1 agent in Southern California, starting to build wealth. And she was able to see people go in, buy homes with their families and create a better lifestyle for them. So growing up, she taught her family, her son, my father, who then taught me the importance of real estate.